Okay, in these examples, we're taking a monomial and we're raising it to a power. So you're just going to remember what we've always learned about exponents, that if we have y to the third raised to the fourth power, what that means in expanded form is I actually have y to the third times y to the third times y to the third times y to the third. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12 y's. So that is y to the 12th. Here I have the similar situation, except I have 2x squared times 2x squared, 2x squared times 2x squared. Coefficients, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And I have 2 x's, now I have 4, 6, 8. Okay, next problem, I do have a negative, so make sure you're aware that you have that. And we have 3 times. These are coefficients. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, times negative 3 is negative 27. Again, you could use that on your calculator if you wanted to. I have 3 m's, 3 more make 6, 3 more make 9. Alright, here I have 2 variables. So I have x squared y cubed, and then I have it again. So the x's are similar. I have 2 x's, so altogether I have 4 x's. And then 3 y's and 3 y's, altogether I have 6 y's. I don't really need that times sign right there, sorry. And the last problem here, I have a negative, so I definitely want to think about raising that to an odd power. Would be a negative result. Whoops, that's a square. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, times negative 2 is negative 8. And I have 2 x's, 2 more make 4, 2 more make 6. I have 1 z, another z, another z. I have 3 z's. So hopefully you can kind of see what is going on here. I had y cubed 4 times. So when I had it 4 times, I had 12 of them. I had an x squared 4 times, so that's how I got 8. And then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gave me the 16. All right, so look those over and see if you can make some connections of what's going on there.